Assalamu alaikum, dear student. I hope all of you are very good. Very good afternoon to all of you. It's 12 o'clock now, and you know that today we are going to, I think, near about finished our chapter 10, and as well as finished our whole books, I think. Okay, and today we will solve some problems. Just CQ or CQ problem. I think last 13, 14, 15 CQ. Okay, and most of you, I think most of you know how to solve it, and some of you already you have solved it and you have submitted as of your homework. Okay, so today I am going to solve this 13, 14 and 15 and one or two problems what you asked in the question. Okay, so let's see. The first, write in the comments my sound quality, video, everything is okay or not. And today is 12/10/2020. Today is Monday. Okay. Okay. So just write in the comments everything is okay or not. Okay, someone please write in the comments sound quality, video, everything is okay or not, everything is possible to hear or not. Alaikum salam Nehaka. All clear, sir. Very good, everything is perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, so first I think I have to solve this number 12. Number 12 is very small problem. Okay, it's very easy, very it's big thunderstorm. I don't know my router will work or not. Anyway, okay, this one stick here, which is length is 1 meter and shadow is 0.4 meter, and one tree here, just one tree. Okay, one tree here. Okay, and its shadow is 7 meter. So we have to find the height of this shadow. This height, what is it? It's very simple. So you can take just this way, 1 meter divided by 0.4, and you can take h divided by 7 meter. So easily you can find it out. 0.4 into h is equals 7 meter. Okay, so h equals 7 divided by 0.4. So you know that how to remove the point. Okay, just I am showing 7 into 4 point, it's 1 here, and this one position, that is why 0 here. Okay, and here just 4. So look at that, 2 divided by 4 is 2 here is 5. If we divide 5 is 2.5. So it is 7 into 2.5. Okay, so 35 we have 314, 317. Okay, 17.5 meter. Sorry, 17.5 meter. 17.5 meter. Okay, after that we will go to number 13, CQ. Okay, one question, I think 2-3 student, brilliant student. They have very good knowledge in maths, I think. Okay, according to the standard, they are in 7th standard, and their question quality is really good, high quality question. So some of you like that level of student, you ask me one questions, sir, why we don't use side in the AS theorem? So normally in ASA theorem, for the theorem is ASA, but when we write the condition, we are just writing AA. Why this side removed here? Why side is not used for the falling down? Okay, why? What is the reason behind that? Okay, so I will explain it now. Just write in the comments everything is okay or not. Tour is here for beer. Okay, tour is here. Okay. Sir, when the big thunder happened in front of me, when I am in my balcony, me was like, okay. Video stopped. My video stopped. All okay. All okay, sir. Okay, because this kinds of big thunderstorm makes this router broken. That is the problem. Okay. Okay, so let's see. What is the reason behind that? This double A. Okay, this theorem is ASA and condition is double A. Why? What is happened? Look at that here. If, for example, here one, look at that here. This triangle and this triangle I have taken. Two triangle I have taken. Okay. For the similarity, you know that what is the similarity? Similarity means this every single for two triangles for sure. For two triangles, similarity is this corresponding angle must be same. Corresponding angle must be same. If two triangles, we can say it is similar. After that, we can say this corresponding angle must be same. Angle must be same. Eki rokom. Okay. For sides, the ratio must be same. Okay. So look at that. If, for example, if it is 40 degree, if it is 40 degree, or if it is 40 degree, this one is 60 degree. For example, if this one is 40 degree, this one is 60 degree, so this one must be same with this one. So this one must be same with this one. Easily you understood. Okay. For example, this triangle and this triangle, this triangle and this triangle, this one also same. Look at that. If this one is 40 degree, so we have no relations with side. Of course we have relation, but relations is ratio. Okay. For example, here is 40 degree, here must be 60 degree. So this angle and this angle exactly same angle. Automatically it will become same. That is why we need just only two angles is more than enough for that conditions. Okay. We don't need three angles, or we don't need the side. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Especially ask the Shafayat and Ihtisham. Both of you ask these questions. I hope all of you get the answer. Okay, if we get these two angles is equal, automatically we can get the third angles also be equal. It's very simple, because sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, sum of three angles equals 180 degree. So this angle is equal, this angle is equal to corresponding angle. So we can say this angle must be equal. Otherwise there is no way. Okay, it is not possible. For example, here 40 degree, 60 degree, so is 100. Here must be 80 degree, here must be 80 degree. Here is 40 degree, 60 degree. It is impossible to make 60 degree. Is it possible in any way? Is it possible to do 60 degree here? No, it is not possible. If you draw in any way, if you draw the 60 degree here, the triangle won't form the triangle. Okay, triangle won't be formed. ট্রায়াঙ্গেল ফর্ম করবে না। যদি তুমি এখানে 80 ডিগ্রি আঁকতে হবে, যদি তুমি 60 ডিগ্রি এখানে আঁকার চেষ্টা করো, তাহলে ট্রায়াঙ্গেলটাই ফর্ম করবে না। আশা করি তোমরা ক্লিয়ার হয়ে গেছো। ওকে, চলো তাহলে we have to start next question number 13. Okay, Okay, question 13. Some of you, I think at least 50 students already have done this one, 13, 14, and most of you can do it. It just revised of 10.1 and 10.2, the same as, there is no differences. Okay, so of the isosceles triangle ABC, AB equals AC, and D is the midpoint of BC, DE and DF are the perpendicular of AC and AB respectively. Okay, so first you have to draw the picture. First you have to draw the picture. Look at that, AB and AC. So A, B, C. So AB equals AC. It's given in the question, AB equals AC. Okay, AB equals AC, it's given. Okay, DE and DF are the perpendicular on AC. So D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint. It is the perpendicular here. Okay, this is DE and DF, and the perpendicular here. Okay, this is DF. So here also 90 degree. So this is our required picture. Okay, number B. Number B, what is it? Show that AD perpendicular BD. Okay, so look at that AD, we have to join AD. Okay, so we don't need these perpendiculars. We don't need actually. Directly you can write this way. Okay, this is the midpoint. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, this AB equals AC we have given. Okay, some of you have given this wrong logic. I will show it. Okay, and I will explain it to you. What is it? What kind of mistakes you have done? Okay, we have to prove AD perpendicular BC. So particular enunciations I am writing. Particular enunciation. Okay, given ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle AB equals AC. AB equal AC. Okay, D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, D is the midpoint of BC. It is required to prove that it is required to prove that AD perpendicular BC. AD perpendicular BC. Is it possible to watch this corner? Is it okay, all of you? Just write in the comments everything is okay or not, perfect or not. Everything is okay? আচ্ছা, নজরুল লিখেছো যে স্যার এটা বুঝি নাই। বারো নাম্বারটা বুঝে নাই, কেন বুঝো নাই? কেন বাবা বুঝো নাই? এটা জাস্ট এটা তুমি রেশিও নিয়ে নিলেই হয়ে যাবে। যে একটা স্টিকের লেন্থ, ধরো তোমার ছায়া আছে, হ্যাঁ, উপরে সান আছে, তুমি 12 o'clock তুমি দাঁড়াইলে কোথাও, তোমার ছায়াটা যে রেশিও, তোমার লেন্থ হচ্ছে ফর এক্সাম্পল 5 feet, চিন্তা করো তোমার লেন্থ হচ্ছে 5 feet, তোমার ছায়াটা যে রেশিও এখানে পড়বে, ধরো তোমার হচ্ছে 5 feet, তোমার ছায়াটা হচ্ছে ফর এক্সাম্পল 12 o'clock, 12 noon. Okay, for example your shadow is for example 3 feet. At 12 o'clock it is normally the sun comes this vertically, okay, 3 feet or 2 feet for example. Okay, so look at that here. this another stick, for example, the stick length is, or many kinds of pillar, for example, its length is 20 feet, for example, 20 feet or 10 feet. Okay, its length also goes the same way, same ratio. So look at that here, this 1 meter long stick, its shadow is 0.4, less than half, is 7 meter. So if this shadow of the tree is 7 meter, its length also more than half. Look at that here, it's 0.4 is 0.4. If we multiply 0.4 into 2 is 0.8. So it's 2 times of the shadow. It's 2 times of the shadow of the stick. Stick length is 2 times of the shadow, or more than 2 times. This tree length also be 2 times, more than 2 times of the shadow. So shadow, এখানে shadow হচ্ছে 7 মিটার, তো এটা গাছের লেন্থটা হবে এটার চাইতেও বেশি, স্বাভাবিক। দেখো এখানে 0.4 মানে হচ্ছে অর্ধেকের চেয়ে কম, এটাও হবে হচ্ছে 2 টাইমসের। এটাকে যদি 2 দ্বারা মাল্টিপ্লাই করো তাহলে 0.8 হবে, এটার চেয়ে বেশি হবে, সেম রেশিও হবে। এই জন্য এটার যে রেশিও হবে, এটাকে এটা দ্বারা ডিভাইড করলে যে রেশিওটা আমরা পাবো, এটাকে এটা দ্বারা ডিভাইড করলে সেম রেশিও হবে। এই জন্য এটা ইজিলি আমরা এভাবে পেয়ে যাব, ঠিক আছে? আমাদের আর কিছুই করতে হবে না। আশা করি তুমি বুঝতে পেরেছো। আবার আমি একটু রিপিট করে দিচ্ছি, সেটা হলো ধরো তুমি 12টায়, দিনের 12টায় তুমি দাঁড়ালে কোথাও, তোমার যে শ্যাডোটা যে রেশিওয়ে গিয়ে পড়বে, একটা গাছের শ্যাডোটাও ঠিক সেম রেশিওয়ে গিয়ে পড়বে। তোমার লেন্থ হলো 5 ফিট, তোমার শ্যাডোটা যদি হয় 3 ফিট, একটা গাছের লেন্থ এরকম, শ্যাডোটা যদি হয় ধরো 15 ফিট, এটা লেন্থটাও এরকম হবে, ঠিক আছে? এই অনুযায়ী হবে আর কি, এই রেশিও অনুযায়ী হবে। আশা করি ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে। ওকে, রাইট ইন দ্য কমেন্ট, ডু ইউ ক্লিয়ার অর নট? Okay, thank you so much. Very good. Okay, so it is required to prove that এটা বলো, এটা দেখা যাচ্ছে কিনা, AD perpendicular BC, is it clear to you? AD perpendicular BC, AD টা দেখা যাচ্ছে, BC টা দেখা যাচ্ছে না। ওকে, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, আমি একটু নিচে লিখে দিচ্ছি, এখানে লিখে দিচ্ছি AD perpendicular BC. We have to prove that AD perpendicular BC. Okay, this is our required proof. Okay, AD perpendicular BC we have to show. Okay, so just little construction we have to do. Construction, join AD, join AD, that's it, simple. After that we are going to prove. So look at that here, in proof we have 2 triangle. One triangle is here, this is one triangle, okay, and another triangle is this one. Okay, another triangle is this one. So we have to show some of you have shown this logic like that. AB equals AC, given AB equals AC, so this angle and this angle must be equal, because AB equals AC. At a time you can't apply both of these. Okay, at a time is not possible, because if you get ABC angle, you are getting from AB equals AC. So at a time is it not possible to apply. Okay, দেখো তোমরা এভাবে লিখেছো যে ধরো এভাবে যদি লেখো তুমি, ফর এক্সাম্পল নাম্বার 1, in ABC triangle, AB equals AC, so ABC angle is equal to ACB angle. তুমি হয়তো এটা ইউজ করবে আর না হয় এটা ইউজ করবে, দুইটাই একসাথে ইউজ করা যাবে না। আশা করি বুঝতে পেরেছো। হয়তো তুমি এটা ইউজ করে এটা পেয়েছো, তো এটা ইউজ করতে পারবে, সমস্যা নাই। either you can use first one, AB equals AC, because it's already given in the question. It's given in the question. But you can't, at a time, you can't use both of this one, because from that side, AB equals AC, you get ABC equals ACB. Okay? Which one you get from that one, you can't use both of these side and angles at a time. It's not possible. Okay? So I'm just shown what is the mistakes there. Okay? So let's do. First we are taking number 1. Both of these triangle we are taking in ABD triangle and ACD triangle. ACD triangle. Both of these triangle we have taken. Okay, we have given AB equals AC. AB equals AC we have given in the question. So we can write given. Okay. And we can write BD is equal to CD. Why we can write? Because D is the midpoint. D is the midpoint of BC side. Midpoint of BC. Okay? And AD equal AD is common side. Okay, common side. So we can write by triple S theorem. By triple S theorem, we can write ABD congruence with ACD triangle. Okay, we can write ABD triangle congruence with ACD triangle. Okay, look at that here. This triangle and this triangle is congruence. So we can say the corresponding angles is equal. So this one and this angle, we can say both of this triangle, both of this angle is same. This angle and this angle. Okay. So we can write ADB angle is equal to ADC angle. ADC angle. Okay. So number 2, we can write, we know BDC angle is equal to 180 degree. Okay, and BDC angle, we can split this angle BDC. We can write ADB plus ADC angle is equal to 180 degree. So look at that here. In 1, we have shown both of these angles are equal. So we can write ADB plus ADB, because ADC is equal to ADB. ADC equals 180 degree. Okay, so 2 ADB equals 180 degree. So we can write ADB equals, we can write ADB equals 180 degree divided by 2 equals 90 degree. Equals 90 degree. Okay. Okay, so we can write here. So therefore look at that, ADB equals 90 degree. ADB equals 90 degree. If ADB equals 90 degree, we can say AD, since ADB equals ADC is equal to 90 degree. So therefore AD perpendicular BC. Okay, proved. ওকে, এটাই আমাদের প্রুভ করা দরকার ছিল যে এটা হচ্ছে পারপেন্ডিকুলার। আশা করি সবাই বুঝতে পেরেছো। কারো যদি কোনো সমস্যা হয় তোমরা কমেন্টসে লিখে দাও, আই উইল এক্সপ্লেন ইট अगेन। ওকে। সব কিছু ঠিক আছে কিনা? না 10.3 নাই, কিন্তু এই সিকিউগুলা 10.2 এবং 10.1 এর সাথে রিলেটেড, এরা এখানে দিয়েছে। চামেলি সরকার আইডি থেকে বলছো, আদ্রিকা সম্ভবত, ঠিক আছে। 10.3 নাই, কিন্তু এই সিকিউগুলা কিন্তু 10.3 এর সাথে সিমিলারিটির সাথে রিলেটেড না। এই সিকিউগুলা হচ্ছে 10.1 and 10 related to 10.1, 10.2. So that is why we are doing these CQs. Okay, I hope all of you clear. This CQ related to 10.1 and 10.2. একটু হার্ড কেন? একটু হার্ড হবে কেন? ডান্সার, ভেরি গুড। জারিফ সামির লিখেছে, আপনি কি আমাদের হোমওয়ার্কের মতো করছেন? তুমি যেভাবে হোমওয়ার্কটা করেছো এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি এভাবেই করতে হবে। দেয়ার ইজ নো অ্যানাদার ওয়ে। ওকে, আদার ওয়ে থাকতে পারে, লজিক্যাল হলে ঠিক আছে, কিন্তু এভাবেই হচ্ছে পারফেক্ট হয়। আমার মনে হয়েছে ইটস হচ্ছে বেস্ট ওয়ে। দ্যাট ইজ ওয়াই আই এম ডুইং দিস ওয়ে। ওকে, তুমি না করলে এভাবেই করা হতো। Okay, so let's do number C. Okay, I'm editing this part. Number C, what it is? Prove that D equals DF. DE equal DF. So we have to use the first picture what we have drawn. So look at that here. This is the isosceles triangle. Okay, this is the midpoint of BC. A, B, and C. Okay, this is DE, and this is DF. Okay, so we have to prove DE equals DF. We have to prove it. D equals DF. Okay, so particular enunciation. Okay, given ABC is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. AB equals AC. Okay, and D is the midpoint of midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. DE and DF. DE and are the perpendicular to AC and AB respectively. Okay, AC and AB respectively. It is required, we have to prove that DE equals DF. Okay, it is required to prove that DE equals DF. Okay, so no construction, directly we are going to prove. Okay, all of you just write in the comments everything is going well or not. Is there any problem? Take us. Okay, everything is. No, sir, everything is okay. Okay, that's good. Wonderful. All clear, sir. Understood, sir. Very good. No problem, sir. Yes. Thank you. Okay, so we are starting proof. Okay, first one. Okay, in ABC triangle, ABC triangle, AB equals AC. AB equals AC. Okay, কোথায় পাইলাম AB equals AC? It's given in the question. Okay, it's given in the question. So AB equals AC. So opposite side, because in a triangle, okay, if two sides are equal, their opposite angle must be equal. So we can write, directly we can write ABC angle is equal to ACB angle. Or you can write ACB equals ABC, after that ABC equals ACB, no problem. Okay, so ABC angle, you have to write here, opposite in a triangle, okay, in a triangle, opposite angle of opposite angles of equal sides are equal. Okay, in a triangle, opposite angles of equal sides are equal. So ABC, you can write FBD. FBD, you can write it, no problem, because this difference of lengths of the side of an angle is not hampered in the angle. Okay, it's same. Is length of the side is longer or smaller, there is no differences for the angle is always same. So ACB we can write ECD, we can write ECD. I'll put it there, we will use later. Okay, okay, I am erasing this part. So look at that. Okay, and already we know that we know DE perpendicular AC and DF perpendicular AB. Okay, so we can write DEC angle is equal to DFB angle is equal to 90 degree. Okay, easily we can write, or we can write DF, just I am this angle writing first. Okay, DFB is equal to DEC is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so look at that here, one angle we have shown, this angle is equal to this angle, and we have given this angle and this angle is equal because of 90 degree. Okay, and BD is equal to CD. Later we can write. Okay, next step we can write. Okay, in number 3, in BFD and CED CED. Both we can write FBD angle is equal to ECD angle. ECD angle from where? From 1. We got from 1. Okay, and DFB is equal to DEC. Okay, each 90 degree, and BD equal to CD. D is the midpoint. Okay, D is the midpoint. So we can write by ASA theorem. We can write BFD congruence with CED. Okay, if both of these triangles are congruent, we can say DF is equal to DE. That is our required point. Okay, so DF equals to DE. There is a proof. I hope all of you understood. If you don't understand, just write in the comments where is your problem. I'll try to fix it. Okay, just write in the comments everything is okay or not. Yes sir. Yeah, this is really good. Wonderful. Yes sir, very good. Oh, okay. Okay, if you have no problem, if you finished your writing, we can go to next problem. Okay, just write in the comments everything is okay or not. Are you facing any problem? And invite your all other friends to come in the class. Yes sir, guys, stop arguing about the facts that this some other topic. Sir, what is AA condition? Angle condition. Okay, Antara, you have written this. What is AA condition? AA condition means angle conditions. If two angles are equals of two triangles. Okay, if two angles is equal to two angles of from two triangles, if two corresponding angles are equal, we can say both of these triangles are similar. Okay, that is the double A condition. HS থিওরেম দিয়ে দিলে কেমনে হবে বাবা? হ্যাঁ হবে, এটা তো HS থিওরেমে হবে, সমস্যা নাই। এটা তাহলে তুমি আরেকটা সাইড কোথায় পাবে? সাইড তো পাবে না, এটা সাইড তুমি কেমনে দেখাবে? জারিফ সামিন, HS থিওরেম এখানে অ্যাপ্লাই করা যাবে না বাবা, HS থিওরেম অ্যাপ্লাই করা যাবে না। No, এটা হয়নি। Zarif Samin, you have written this HS theorem. Look at that here. This one is look at here. We just know one side. Look at that, this side and this side is equal. It's okay, but we don't know about this side and this side and this side and this side. We have to prove that this side equals this side. So we have idea only one side, which is hypotenuse. So how you find another side? It's not possible. Okay, that is why we have to use this ASA condition. Without ASA condition, you can't prove it. Okay, just send me the link. I will check it again. Zarif Samin. তুমি আবার এই জারিফ সামিন তুমি আমাকে করো, আমি ধরে নিয়েছি এটা এএসএ কন্ডিশন তুমি অ্যাপ্লাই করেছো, তুমি আবার আমাকে একটু করো, এই লিঙ্কটা পাঠিয়ে দিও, আমি দেখে দিব, ঠিক আছে? এই জন্যই তো এখানে করে দিচ্ছি বাবা, যে এখানে ফুললি করে দিচ্ছি। এর মেন কারণটা হচ্ছে কিছু ভুল থাকলেও সেটা তোমার ধরা যাবে, করে দিয়েছি, এক্সপ্লেন করে দিচ্ছি কেন এটা হবে না, ওই কন্ডিশনটা তুমি অ্যাপ্লাই করতে পারবা না, ওই থিওরেমটা অ্যাপ্লাই করতে পারবা না। কারণ কি, তুমি দেখো এখানে নিজের থেকেই বুঝতে পারবা। তুমি শুধু এই সাইডটা আর এই সাইডটা জানো, তুমি তো এই সাইডটা তুমি জানো না, জানো না, এই সাইডটা আর এই সাইডটা তুমি জানো না, এটা আর এটা তোমাকে দেখাইতে হবে। সো তুমি শুধুমাত্র জানো একটা সাইড হুইচ ইজ হাইপোটেনাস, একটা সাইডই তুমি জানো ইকুয়াল, যেটা হচ্ছে হাইপোটেনাস। আর একটা সাইড তো তোমাকে জানতে হবে, এইচএস থিওরেমের জন্য একটা হাইপোটেনাস আর একটা সাইড তোমাকে জানতে হবে। এখন তুমি শুধুমাত্র একটা সাইড জানো, তাহলে তো তুমি ওটা তো অ্যাপ্লাই করতে পারবা না, পারবা? এটা তো সম্ভব না। সো তুমি এই জিনিসটা এই জন্যই এখানে করে দেওয়া, প্রতিটা জিনিস, প্রত্যেকটা প্রবলেম, এভরি সিঙ্গেল প্রবলেমস আই এম সলভিং হেয়ার, এক্সপ্লেনিং হেয়ার ফর ইউর বেটার আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং, যাতে তোমরা ভালো করে বুঝতে পারো এটা কীভাবে অ্যাপ্লাই করতে হয় থিওরেমগুলো। এগুলো ভালো করে জানলে, এগুলো শুধু এখানে না বাবা, তোমার 8, 9, 10 এই তিনটা ক্লাসে, প্রত্যেকটা ক্লাসে প্রত্যেকটা থিওরেমে কোনো না কোনো থিওরেমের অ্যাপ্লিকেশান আছে, ঠিক আছে? Within this 4th theorem, you have at least one theorem's applications there. কোনো না কোনো থিওরেমে, এটা ছাড়া তুমি প্রুফ করতে পারবে না এত সহজে। যারা যারা ক্লাসে আসতেছো না, তোমাদেরই ক্ষতি হবে। হ্যাঁ, তোমরা এগুলো মিস করতেছো, মনে রাখো এটা। তোমরা নিজেরা এগুলো মিস করতেছো, ক্লাসে আসছো না, মনে করতেছো আর ক্লাসে না গেলে কি হবে, কিন্তু ক্লাসে না এসে তোমাদের নিজেদেরই অনেক ক্ষতি হচ্ছে, মনে রেখো, নিজেদেরই ক্ষতি হচ্ছে। ওকে, সো আই এম গোয়িং টু নেক্সট প্রবলেম। Problem 14. Okay, problem 14 what? Look at that here. In a isosceles triangle ABC, AB equals AC, admits which D is a point so that DBC is the isosceles triangle. Draw the figure. Okay, are as per descriptions. Okay, ABC equals ACB and ABD congruents ACD. Okay, this is very easy, I think. Number 1, we have given ABC is an isosceles triangle. We have given, okay, ABC is an isosceles triangle, and one point, okay, inside of ABC, that is called admixed. Okay, that is D. So this is the required figure. Okay, number B, we have to prove that ABC, our target point is ABC angle is equal to ACB angle. We have to prove this one, ABC equals ACB. Okay, how we can prove it? Okay, we are just taking different way you can prove it. Okay, so look at that, I am taking this ABC, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Okay, and This is already we have given AC equals AD. Okay, we are taking the perpendicular bisector. One perpendicular bisector we have taken. Okay, so this is D, particular enunciation. Okay, given ABC is a triangle, okay, AB equals AC, AB equals AC. Okay, it is required to prove that it is required to prove that, okay, it is required to prove that ABC angle is equal to ACB angle. Okay, ABC angle equals to ACB angle. So construction, we draw. Do you know that this theorem 2 we have proved this way, theorem 2. Okay, in your book, theorem 2, first theorem is SS theorem, and after that we proved one theorem which is called this theorem 2. Okay, if you can go to your book page number theorem 2, I don't know, just you can look at that. Theorem 2 is looking like almost same. Okay, so we draw a perpendicular bisector, we draw a perpendicular bisector AD of BC. Okay, we draw a perpendicular bisector AD of BC. Okay, I'm erasing this part. Okay, so I'm going to just write proof in, look at that, in ABD and ACD. Someone just written two lines in ABC triangle, AB equals AC, so opposite angle of ABC equals A. This way also okay, no problem, just only one or two lines you can prove it, but logically it is correct. But look at that, if you prove this way, I think it's looking better. Okay, so ABD we can write AB equals AC. Okay, it's given in the question, and BD equals CD. D is the midpoint. This is the midpoint of BC. Okay, because AD is the perpendicular, AD is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, it is the perpendicular bisector of BC, and AD equals AD. Why? This common side. Okay, so by triple S theorem, AB D congruence with ACD. Okay, so if this is congruence, we can write ABD is equal to ACD. Okay, ABD equals ACD. Okay, ABD we can write ABC and ACD we can write ACB. Okay, this is very simple, very easy. Okay, all of you can prove it very easy way. Just I use this theorem 2 style. Okay, that's why I proved it. It's possible. Okay, thank you. Okay, so number C we have to prove. Okay, number C we have to prove ABD triangle congruence with ACD triangle. Okay, ABD triangle, look at that. In number C we have to use this one. So I hope all of you finished your writing here. Okay, just it will take 1 or 2 minutes. If time is not just I will take 2 minutes time, maximum 2 minutes time. Okay, within 2 minutes it will be finished. Okay, number C, this figure already we have just joined AD. So particular enunciation given ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay, AB equals AC. Okay, D is any point or with any point D. Okay, any point D admits in ABC triangle so that BDC also an isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. It is required to prove that okay, it is required to prove that ABD triangle congruence with ACD triangle. That is our requirements. Okay, we have to prove ABD triangle congruence with ACD triangle. Construction. Okay, construction, just join AD. That's it, very simple, join AD. Okay, and proof will take just only 1 minute. I think I'm erasing this part. Okay, just will takes 1 minute maximum. Okay, proof. Look at that. In ABD and ACD. Okay, AB equals AC. Given in the question, BD equals CD. Given AD equals AD, common side. Okay, so by Triple S theorem, ABD congruence with ACD. That is our required. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, okay, thank you so much for attention, for attending in the class and everything. Okay, see you in the next class tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.